Today, I'm on St Augustine Street in the heart of Taunton Town Centre. I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this 4-bedroom, mid-terrace Victorian home, complete with generous room proportions throughout and a private rear garden. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation on your own property, then please do get in touch.